Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
The Jamaica Labour Party JLP is rolling out a national rural school bus system in Jamaica, providing safe and affordable transportation for students and integrating the JUTC buses with disability access and potentially lower fares. This initiative, launched around August 2025, is part of the JLP's broader efforts to improve public transportation, road infrastructure, and the overall commuting experience for Jamaicans. Meanwhile, a voice note leaked with a JLP supporter planning to sabotage Buchanan after they swear him in East Portland.
When we done with ISAT, you might have come every day, mama push him out. Remember, say me tell you that. Yeah, you think we done yet? You think we done yet? Oh, we not done. You know, so them have to go back forward pump. They say, oh, no worry himself. And we know what, you know, him no worry himself. The height that attack, we are going to make sure that we are going to keep track of everything, because we are going to bring him right down the ground. Because he not have no money. Yeah. We are all that either when I big up himself, and all I promise and when I promise people, we are going to start taking to social media now, because we are going to want them. Anything you see 1 month pass, and you see next month come and done, we can start go up on social media, and the social media page them and all the clippings, and we're going to make sure that for the rest of 4 years, all of them, we are going to hold him to them as labor right. So you know what he said. Don't make promises you can't keep, and we are going to make sure of that. He win. And he said that in first talk when me, oh, people go to prison. That are their style. Every time when PMP go in power, that are the first thing they say. Oh, them go to prison because them go take the rest at the time when have to run here. The whole 4 years. And everything he go think again can do. I find fault. And I said this and this, and then at the end of the term, now happen at East Portland, more than fault, I find one, and me. You think that we are going to joke with him? We not joke with him. Remember, say me tell you that we not joke with him. It's not like one time. We not joke with him. So you don't know. You better get ready. Make sure you can meet the track record like Miss Vaz. Because if you impose anything imposed, we are going to oppose the other people. Yeah? Remember that. Oh, so you better make sure you say anything ready. Get ready and ready for work, because if you not work, we're going to put it on social media. If you feel like oh, what they will miss you do all down above me, I got some place where Mr. Vaz road already, and then turn against him and nobody look at the old dirty thinking PMP them. And so we are going to do Mr. Buchanan. We are going to go some road where nobody name now use. And say, see there, you come and say this and come and say that. And see the road them and fix. And watch what we are going to do. We are going to bring him. He don't know what he do, man. He don't know what he do. This is not like one time when Bloomfield ended and people not have internet like that. Welcome to social media. Tell him that. So if he feel like say, he might go have a easy run. He not work.
Yeah, boy.
Trouble turn up.